Hi, this is Derek. I'm the production lead here at BTOD, and today we're going to show you how to remove your seat pan from your Aeron chair. The tools you're going to need for this job are going to be a 4mm Allen wrench, a 6mm Allen wrench, either a crescent wrench, adjustable wrench, or a set of pliers. Alright, the first step you got to do is take these two screws out of the seat pan, and for that you're going to need to use your 6mm Allen wrench. Okay, the reason you want to pull those out first is so that you can lean this seat pad forward to get easier access at these back bolts on the mech arms to get the seat pad off. Alright, for this next step you're going to want to grab your adjustable wrench and then your 4mm Allen wrench, and you're going to be taking these back two bolts off of these mech arms that are attached to the seat pad. These are the last two bolts you'll need to get off before you can get your seat pad off. So just adjust your wrench till it fits this back nylon locking nut on the back here, and then insert your Allen key in here, and then just remove the bolt. And then do the same to the other side. Good. And once you loosen the last bolt, then the seat is fully removed. So once you have your old seat removed, now it's time to attach the new seat. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to attach these mechanism arms first to help hold the seat in place. And it's also easier to get at these before these are attached. So we'll go ahead and do that. Just line up the holes. And then put your bolts through. And then you can just hand tighten the nut like I said before. And then we'll tighten them after we do this step. So go ahead and do your second one. And then hand tighten the nut. And you're ready to put your other bolt in. All right, the next step is put in the bigger bolts on the side of the seat here. So just slide them in and they should just start screwing in. And then again, this is the bolt that uses the 6mm Allen wrench. You can just kind of snug this one up first and then start your second one. And then you can fully tighten this side now that you got the other one on. And just double check that. And then those are attached. For this last step, it's actually easier if you flip the chair over. So we'll do that now. And then you're gonna need your adjustable wrench and the 4mm Allen wrench, just like we did in the first part of the video. So just adjust your wrench to the nylon nut, and then you can tighten down with the Allen wrench. This one will be a little bit harder and a little more time consuming because you can't just go around in circles with the wrench, so it may take a minute. Okay, so once you get your bolts tightened, you just double check, make sure everything is good. Back over, and it should be ready for use. If you have any questions, contact us at btod.com. Thank you very much.